Barely any.
How much can we climb?
First one to the top gets like nothing.
Yeesh!
Come on. Come on, come up. Come up.
I got no stamina.
Please!
Come on.
No!
Oh shit, no! No, I'm not
Oh,
going
shit.
down. I'm not going.
I don't think we're making it. I don't think we're making it out.
Oh, I'm not making it. I'm not making it. I'm not making it.
Fuck out of here. Ah! Oh. What the fuck?
Oh.
How'd you get here? My ledge.
Fuck you. It's just raps, bro. It's just raps.
Wee. What brand? What brand?
End game. OP1 8K V2. Vibration mode enabled.
What are you, a car?
Come here, Daniel. Come here, you bitch.
Hello?
Fuck out of here.
Ow.
I'm winning this shit. No! I'm winning this shit. You. Babe. Babe. You or me. It's one or the other, like. Come here! Come here! No! No!
Stop speaking, boy!
Egg! Oh no! Oh, he fucked up! No! No! Come here!
Come on!
Come here! Come here! No! I'm gonna win! I'm so winning this. Stop bullying! No! 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 Not happening! Not happening! Not happening! Not happening! Stop it! Stop it!
Stop.
Yeah, when the flare hits the ground. When the flare hits the ground, like throw it up in the air.
Out of bounds is on top of the ledge.
Yep. Fuck out of here, bro.
Already, guys, already.
Please! No! No! Anything but this! Ah!
He's dead, Daniel.
No.
Daniel, get it from the back!
The high ground.
What do you mean?
I'm not dying yet. This isn't happening. Ah!
What the fuck is this James Bond's ass fucking route?
You fucking
Bro,
know.
it's not him.
Daniel, you can't shut the fuck up once in a while. Oh, he fucked up. No! Fuck. Oh, damn. Oh, ow! Don't do it.
Daniel, I got you, don't give up.
Oh, did Daniel fall?
I'm
No way,
carrying
Daniel
Daniel.
fell.
Yeah, I want to have a med. Didn't someone pick up a med pack?
Fall, bitch! No! 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 Please have mercy!
I did this twice already.
Please don't. Stop!
Oh, he's landing in the lava. He's in the lava.
Ah! Wait, did I kill you, like? I didn't even mean to.
There was clear intention in that kick, bro.
No. Fall, bitch! Daniel, what did we say about dying at the start?
I thought I had it like.
Oh, the
That was,
Some are calling it the biggest fumble of the 21st century. Anything,
Boy
bro?
clutch, boy clutch, boy clutch, boy clutch.
No, Daniel, don't do it. Fire in the hole!
Is that a... Ah! More damage shot.
Hey! Leave Daniel alone! Leave Daniel alone!
Leave him alone!
Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Kill. Kill.
Fuck around and find
I'm
out,
so
bitch!
innocent. I'm in it.
Fuck around and find out!
No!
Fuck off!
Okay, wait.
Come get me.
What's the big idea?
Oh.
What's the big idea?
Oh shit!
Wait, what?
Oh,
Wait, everyone
shit!
get off here.
I bring the fight to you, boy. Oh.
No, I can't.
Take him, Daniel. Kick him.
Get spaced?
Yeah, get spaced, huh? Get spaced. Get spaced, huh? No!
My family climbed mountains generations before me.
I like how Lay's climbed like one mountain the whole time. This is unheard of. Okay, it's kind of just slowing him down at this point.
I don't think it's that serious, Lane. You can calm down. Like, it's not that serious.
It's not 28 pitons enough.
Oh, Lay's having a stroke. I think his character had a stroke.
Invisible wall of doom and despair. Oh, he's hitting that! Bro, Leif, you slayed in like your last 5 seconds of life.
It's fuck you, I'm starting it. Daniel, get down from there! Daniel!
Nah!
Get down from there! How are you up there?
I need to escape! I need to escape!
Stop! Somebody help me! Somebody help me!
No, get him down. Get him down.
Contact lens is chasing you.
Is he? Oh my god, he is!
Dodge.
Oh! That's not slick! You're not slick! Stop cheating! Stop bullying! Not me again! Stop
shit.
fucking bullying me! No!
He's gone. I'm taking out the kid.
I'm not dead yet!
What?
He's not dead. He's dead.
The fact you two stopped fighting to fucking team me is so gay. Kill yourselves.
Oh!
Fight right there. Fight on that slope. That slope's gas. Fight on the slope.
Oh no! Oh sh!
Oh! Backflip.
Do a flip!
Don't do it. Oh, he's alright.
Castaways,